This is me, making flashcards with my own brain and hands, like a noob. I also used to teach other people how to make flashcards with their own brains and hands, giving rise to more noobs. But that vicious cycle ends today. I once turned an entire textbook into over 1,100 flashcards. It took 60 hours of straight pain and suffering.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
But I'm about to show you how you could do the exact same thing in less time than you spend scrolling Instagram on the toilet. In this video, we're going to be leaving the dark ages of studying behind us and embracing the new era of my new best friend, the Giga ChatGPT. Actually, I'm poor, so we're just going to be using the free version, so just normal ChatGPT. But it's still good. Now, I'm a radiology resident, so the use case I'll be demonstrating for you today is taking a radiology textbook and turning it into closed deletion flashcards. These flashcards are basically fill-in-the-blank flashcards that allow you to cover a ton of material blindingly fast and still test yourself so that you're working towards recall and mastery of all that material. The only things you're going to need for this method are a free OpenAI account, access to Microsoft Excel, and some electronic resource that you'd like to master. I've been making flashcards with ChatGPT for a while now, and I can tell you that the quality of your flashcards totally depends on the quality of your prompt. So we can take a look at this prompt that I created beforehand. These are the things that I include in every prompt when I'm making flashcards. I like to have a context statement where I tell the chatbot what we're doing. It already knows what Anki is and it knows what closed deletion markup is, so I don't have to explain that. I also include a statement about formatting. I like to get my flashcards back in a single column table just because I feel like it's a lot neater, it's easier to read, and we're gonna be pasting this into an Excel spreadsheet so it copies over very nicely. This third part here is some reference criteria that I want the chatbot to look back to every time it's writing a flashcard. These are based off what I believe is the best practices for flashcards. These are the type of flashcards that I like to use, and so I make sure to always have this piece in the prompt as well. This last bullet point here is very important. I need each flashcard to be understood in isolation, so the subject of the flashcard needs to be included in the text every time. And the last section, the last thing that I always include in a prompt is plenty of examples. Having adequate examples will greatly increase the quality of the flashcards you get. So for this example, I've just taken a chunk of text from my textbook, and then below I have a table formatted exactly how I would want the responses formatted, with plenty of examples of how I would write these flashcards. Now, I did not write these flashcards. These flashcards all came from ChatGPT after I was experimenting with it, giving it different prompts. And once it finally made flashcards that I felt like were high enough quality, I just copied them and pasted them back into the prompt so that I could repeat the process whenever I needed to. And you can find this exact prompt on my website, and the link to it is in the video description in case you want to modify it for your own uses. Let's copy this entire prompt here. You'll notice that this prompt is positively massive, but that's okay. It still works like a champ. You have up to 4,000 words in the free version of ChatGPT to use in your prompt. Best practices would be to keep that around 400 words. ChatGPT does a better job when it has less text to work through. But that being said, this one's about 900 words and it honestly handles it just fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and send that. Hopefully it understands what we want it to do. All right, it's looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna navigate over to my textbook while it's thinking, and I'm going to paste in this paragraph or this section here. Now you could do more than one section at a time. This book is just kind of formatted terribly, so I can't copy text without getting pictures, so I just copy one section at a time. And I'm just quickly reviewing the flashcards as they're being made. They look like flashcards that I would make. Okay, looks like it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, and we're gonna head over to our Excel spreadsheet, and I'm gonna throw it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn off wrap text. All right, so you'll notice over here in the C column, I have trauma written. So the C column is where all of the tags will be when we upload this into Anki. I like to organize my cards by tags, so I always include a tag next to the card, and I organize the cards by chapter. So as I'm working through the book, I can just unsuspend all of those cards and do it after I finish the chapter. So this is coming from the chapter on renal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that there and bring this down. Okay. Now I'm going to speed through doing a few more rounds, grab some more cards, and then I'll show you how we upload it into Anki. Okay, I think that's enough cards for now. Let's go ahead and save this. We need to save this as a .csv file. So you go save as, and you're gonna wanna find the one that says CSV UTF-8. So it's this one right here. I've already saved that, so we're good to go. Now we just need to go to Anki, File, Import, and I think I put this on the desktop. Here it is. Now make sure that our type of cards is set to close deletion. This is a type of cards that I did on my clerkships. I like the style, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And then we wanna put it in the appropriate deck. So this is the deck that I'm putting all of my ChatGPT cards into. And you'll notice here, field 3 is where the tags are. So that was column C. That's all we need. Go ahead and import. And it goes ahead and checks for any repeats. And then you've got flashcards. And they work pretty well, just like as if I'd made them myself. So, you know, don't be a noob.